All right, so for today's video, we've got this bamboo standing desk from Crew and Axel. We're gonna open it up, do a quick unboxing here, and then set it up and see how it is. Looks like they give us a little screwdriver to go with the screws, which is nice. Instructions seem pretty simple. That's really all there is to it. Now we would just set whichever height we wanted. And there you have it. Oh no, I don't think I want this here. I'm going to put it up here. Because maybe the laptop wouldn't fit otherwise. Spike the right way. Maybe the laptop wouldn't fit otherwise. So I need to adjust. Or maybe I'm going to bring it down and put the laptop on top. That's all there is to it. Seems like it'd be a pretty decent standing desk, especially for the price when you consider the fact that most standing desks run you several hundreds of dollars. This one's just over $100. So, and I'll have a link in the description down below where you guys can check this out for yourselves. If you guys are interested. I think it's pretty cool. I think my kids will probably be the ones to use it more than anybody. I love my standing desk that I have at the office. I wish I could have one here, but I don't have the room personally. But I can see this being very valuable for them while they're working on their homework or something. If they're doing a project that requires them to be moving around, you can just stand and have everything sitting right here. So that's it. I'll see you guys next time.